This is a cool video. I've been waiting to do that. It's a new segment, right?
Apparently so.
It's a new segment of collaboration with a really cool channel. Go and check it out. It's called STUFR.
And it's all about traveling and food.
Yeah.
And food with traveling.
Dennis challenged us with a dish, a Dutch dish.
Dutch dish.
A Dutch dish. So here's Dennis.
Hey Yael and Roy, and of course the viewers of Yael and Roy's channel. I'm Dennis from STUFR. Hey, check out my channel as well. I'm all about food and travel, and Roy and Yael came up with a great idea for a collaboration. And they came up with the idea to do a cooking challenge, and I'm all for challenges, so I agreed to join. So thanks for having me on your channel. And this is my challenge for you because I want you to prepare a Dutch traditional hutspot. And I'm not going to tell you how to prepare it, how to cook it, how to make it, what the ingredients are. You will have to find out on your own, and I can tell you Google is your friend. I will be checking in later to see if the result is what I know it should be. Have fun cooking, enjoy the challenge, and I will be looking forward to receiving your challenge as well, because I will be cooking something that you want me to cook. I'm very excited. So enjoy, see you later.
Thank you, Dennis.
Thank you. So
We're really looking forward to do
indeed.
it. So we looked it up.
Exactly. And
As he said, we're supposed to make HUTSPOT.
HUTSPOT.
So HUTSPOT,
Yeah.
It's a traditional Dutch dish. It's pretty easy. Everybody refers to it as a comfort food.
Which we like, because I need to get comfort.
All the time.
I need to call my mom. Mom!
Again with your mom. You're such a mama's boy.
I am.
So we looked it up, like we said, and we found out that what we need is onion, potato, and carrots. Of course, by the way, it's potatoes and onions, and not just one, but okay.
Yeah, well, yeah.
And sausages, smoked sausages.
So we got that.
We have here.
But let's start cooking, and then I'm gonna film it, and then I'm gonna see, and then I'm gonna taste it, and then I'm gonna send it to Dennis, and then he's gonna tell us if we got it right or wrong. And we usually get stuff wrong. All right, let's do it.
Yeah.
So shimashou.
So shimashou.
I'm crying because my mommy left me. No one likes me. I'm gonna be all alone in the world. Done! Wow! We had a bit of a disaster with the sausages. That's what happened.
Let's see.
Let's see. Yeah, I bet it's tasty, but they all kind of...
Okay. A little mishap with the sausages.
Yeah.
But we'll take them out.
Now we gotta. It's kind of funny though, I have to say. All right. That's that, and let's continue.
We did it!
We made it. We had a little accident with the sausage, which decided mid-cooking just to open up.
Boo!
So,
and we're not sure it's smoked. It's not smoked.
It doesn't feel so. It says smoked.
It says it's smoked, but...
And I really like smoky flavor,
yeah,
like smoked meat. I really... But this one doesn't feel smoked to me, so we got that wrong too. But again, we're really good with failing.
Yeah.
Especially with falling. I fall a lot.
Yeah, he does.
Let's try
Good
that.
spot! Oops! Itadakimasu. I wonder how you say it in Dutch, but...
Well, bon appetit.
Okay.
Yeah, very good.
Did you try it with the sausage?
Nah, I will.
I would fry them.
The sausage a little bit, right? And maybe it will give it a little bit more kick. Those sausages has no kick at all.
No.
So if they were smoked though, it would be perfect. I understand that. These ones, maybe if we will fry them a little bit.
Yeah.
You're right. It will give it the more kind of kick to it. Right now it's kind of bland.
So let's try it.
But the dish itself is pretty good. I like the HUTSPOT.
I hope we did it right.
I hope we did. Let's fry the sausages a little bit.
Let's fry the sausages.
Let's go.
Okay, so we got some fried sausages.
It's fried.
Yeah, it's fried. What did I say?
I don't know. I don't listen. You usually don't listen.
It's old man.
What?
No. Yummy.
Sausage flavor.
Mustard.
Mustard.
You want some?
Oh, a little bit. You know what? I'm happy. That's a good meal. The only problem is, I think I have to go to sleep after this meal, and then I need to go home.
Oh, it's good with the mustard.
Dennis, I hope we got it. We'll like it, even if it's not perfectly made. I hope we got it. It tastes good.
Yeah.
I like the mixture of the whole carrots and potatoes and everything. It's kind of balanced everything out a little bit.
It makes it sweeter than just mashed potatoes.
Yeah.
So thank you for this challenge. We're really looking forward to hear what you think about our HUTSPOT. Our two Israelis making HUTSPOT.
And I'm hungry, so let's finish with that.
We'll finish.
Thank you. That was fun to make.
Thank you.
We had fun.
And we hope to see your shakshuka.
Shakashuka.
Jamatakondo.
Jamatakondo.